All right, guys, today's video is going to be a quick example on how to find tail extension targets using the volume profile. So typically we use tail extension targets when you have imbalanced profiles, and right now we have a couple of really good examples. On Friday, we had an imbalanced profile that was showing a lowercase b. You had that long upper tail, you had a lot of volume on the low, but then we did not have a lower tail. And then for today's profile, we have the opposite, where we have a long lower tail, we have a lot of volume on the high, but then we do not have an upper tail. So these are perfect days to find those tail extension targets, and this is how you do it. So you can count the lower tail any way that's easy for you. You can use a box, or you can use a ruler. You can just count with the points, however you want to do it on the TradingView chart or whatever charting platform you're using. Just find the length of the lower tail, in this case here. That would be about, looks like about 17 points. And then we take that to the upper tail starting on the value high. So lower tail is value low to low of day. Upper tail is value high to high of day, right? So we want to take that tail from the value high and then extend it upwards, okay? So this would extend our target all the way up to 98. So in this case here, if we were to continue pushing today and it continues to rise, the target we want to be looking for to balance that profile out would be around 98. Now, when you hit these tail extension targets, you can sometimes see a lot of sell pressure in this case, or buy pressure if we took the one from Friday. But in this case, it would be sell pressure. Sometimes we can see that and it will look for pulling back into the POC. So if it pushes up, and let's say it continues to trend, and then it hits that extended target, you might start to see a little bit of sell pressure because now that day is fully balanced. And it might want to start to pull back into that value high or possibly that POC. Okay. So just quickly, I'll give you one more example here using Friday. You can take the upper tail any way that is easy. Grab that upper tail, take it to the value low, and then mark out where that extension target would be. So let's pretend like today would have opened up bearish and we would have started to trend lower. Our lower target would have been around that 21, and that would have completed this profile here. So